Okay, this is 12.7. 40 waves pass through a point on the surface of a pond in 2 seconds. 40 waves in 2 seconds. So the number of waves is 40 in 2 seconds. Calculate the wavelength if the wave velocity is 3.5 meter per second. You have to find out the wavelength if the wave velocity is 3.5 meter per second. So according to the question, data is n is equal to 40. 40 is the number of waves in 2 second. Time is 2 second. Lambda you have to find out wavelength. V is equal to 3.5 meter per second. First of all, we have to find out the frequency, because for finding out lambda we have the formula V is equal to F lambda and we don't have the frequency. Frequency आपको वैसे ही पता चल जाती है, number of cycles per second, number of waves per second, number of turns per second. So here are the number of waves per 2 seconds. So frequency is number of waves upon time here. F is equal to n shows the numbers of waves or cycles or trips, divided by time, which is t. 40 divided by 2, so frequency is 20 hertz. Now we are going to put in this formula wavelength. ये सिंपल वही जो अभी आप करते आ रहे हैं, v is equal to f lambda, lambda is equal to v upon f, velocity is given 3.5 and f is 20 hertz. अभी हमने find out किया. So 3.5 upon 20 is lambda is equal to 0.175 meter. Wavelength is equal to 0.175 meters. Result आप दोनों का लिखेंगे. A, the frequency is 20 hertz and B, the wavelength is 0.175 meters.